Hello and welcome. This is J1939 and the last session on API J1939 APIs. The timing. Please subscribe to our channel if you did not subscribe by clicking subscribe button. Okay. So in our overview, we saw API where we have all the layers. We previously discussed about manager, PGN lists within the same, and then transport protocol, diagnostics, and then network management. Finally, it's timing. Without wasting time, let's get into that straight away into the J1939 timing. The timer values the the a number of J1939 services which require an internal timer. Example BAM we discussed earlier, message cycle time. So the timer values for these services are set in a multiple of 1 milliseconds. The stack works internally with timer ticks. A timer tick has a resolution of 1 millisecond. The time span of a timer tick is set via the definition J1939 underscore timer period inside the conf.h file. So the requested time values are converted into timer ticks and vice versa with the functions J1939 underscore TMR CALC ticks and J1939 underscore TMR CALC time respectively. So as usual, we'll see what all the configuration options available, and then we'll come into the functions available in this timing. So the J1939 underscore conf.h contains definitions for the configuration of time module. Please set the symbols to an appropriate value in order to achieve a specific timing behavior. So here we have only one symbol, this J1939 underscore timer period. This symbol defines the period of the timer interrupt. The value is a multiple of 1 milliseconds. It is used for timing services. Please set this value to timer interrupt period of the target system. Note that the value must be at least 1000 microseconds. That means because all J1939 services uses a multiple of 1 milliseconds. So we are done with the configuration options in timing, and then let's see into the functions. So with a prefix of J1939 underscore TMR time service functions, here are the time service functions it gives. Convert time value to timer ticks, that is TMR CLC ticks, and TMR CLC time, and TMR events. So we will have a quick view at these functions available and what parameter it takes and what it returns, and then finally with a small piece of code how we use it. So let's see ticks. The function calculates the number of required timer ticks based on required time UW request timing V in milliseconds and the constant value timer underscore period. That means it takes two parameters, that is time value. It takes only one parameter, sorry, time value in milliseconds, and it returns number of ticks. Okay, then the calculate time, TMR CALC time calculates the time in milliseconds based on the given number of timer ticks and constant value, same TMR timer underscore period. So this takes this number of timer ticks as a parameter and returns time in milliseconds. Okay, next is timer event. TMR event with a prefix, all of them will have prefix J1939 underscore TMR and the event. Okay, this function must be called periodically by a timer resource of the target system. It is responsible to call J1939 services that depend on a timer. Example, BAM. So it takes no parameters, returns nothing, but we just use it periodically by a timer resource of the target systems. Example, here you see an timer interrupt service routine, timer ISR. A small example routine for J1939 underscore TMR event. Here you can see my timer interrupt. Inside that, timer services of application call some J1939 timer stack function. So you use this timer event function in order to periodical functions available. Example, BM, that is BAM. It is necessary to call the functions this event cyclically. The cycle time is defined in microseconds by timer underscore period. Okay, inside conf.h. So this timer event will be called from typically from a timer interrupt, but also it's possible to call it inside the main loop. The behavior is controlled by J1939 underscore TMR underscore int defined in conf.h. I hope we covered all the manager, PGN, transport protocol diagnostics, and network and timing APIs configuration APIs and functions available. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button for more updates. If possible, we'll see the FAQs in J1939, and for more projects, please kindly contact us. Thank you.